Hey there, financial friends. If you're considering a personal loan to tackle debt, fund a dream project, or cover life's surprises, SoFi is a fantastic option with competitive rates and user-friendly perks. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to apply for a SoFi personal loan, so you can get started with confidence. First off, why SoFi? They're known for their quick approvals, no hidden fees, and additional benefits like career coaching and unemployment protection, making them a top choice for savvy borrowers. Let's dive in. Step 1. Head to the SoFi website at sofi.com. Navigate to the personal loans section. It's straightforward and mobile-friendly. Before you apply, take a moment to check your eligibility. SoFi typically looks for a good credit score, stable income, and U.S. residency, but they consider the whole picture. Step 2. Create an account or log in if you're already a member. This gives you access to your personalized dashboard. Step 3. Fill out the online application form. You'll enter details like your personal information, employment history, income, and the loan amount you're seeking, usually between $5,000 and $100,000. Be honest and accurate to speed up the process. Step 4. Upload any required documents. This might include pay stubs, tax returns, or bank statements to verify your financials. SoFi makes this easy with secure uploads. Step 5. Review and submit your application. Double-check everything for errors, then hit submit. SoFi often provides an instant decision or pre-approval. If you're approved, you'll see your loan terms right away. Finally, once approved, the funds can be deposited into your account as quickly as the next business day. Remember, always read the fine print on interest rates and repayment terms to ensure it fits your budget. Applying with SoFi is not only simple but also secure, with top-notch customer support along the way. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to financial flexibility in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Got questions? Leave them in the comments below.